Today we will talk about gene. So students, gene is nothing a specific sequence of nucleotides on a chromosome that encode particular protein which express the form of some particular feature of the body. Okay, and first point is that it just conduct units of heredity. So just nothing, you read that there is the proteins 8 histone protein wrapped with DNA. When you zoom this DNA, you can see its structure like this. Okay, so just I am drawing little bit. So there is the base pair. So this is a portion of DNA is called as gene, nothing else. Okay, so a DNA is long strength. Okay, this strength is very long. Okay, inside this strength some portion sequence. Okay, this base nucleotides, these are made by nucleotides, nucleotides. So specific sequence of nucleotides, suppose this portion has a specific type of suppose this is a DNA. Okay, this portion has specific sequence of nucleotide. This portion is a gene, and here also a gene, here also a gene. Okay, so inside the DNA, now I am showing you the picture. Here you can see that so you better understand, in this picture you can see a gene is the base physical and functional unit of heredity. Okay, genes which are made up of DNA act as instruction to make molecules called proteins. Okay, so act as instruction to make protein. So here you can just zoom in, students, nucleus, cell, inside nucleus. So inside the nucleus, chromatin fiber contains chromosome. So inside the chromosome is proper part, a part called DNA, and inside the DNA a sequence, a part is called gene. Okay, students, I think after completing this video lecture, after watching, all the concept related to the chromosome, DNA and gene will be clear. Okay, so this structure is the very interesting. Okay, here you can see from chromosome to you just zoom in, then one by one inside there is a portion called gene. Okay, it is DNA strength. In the DNA strength, a portion of nucleotide. Okay, here just once again you read specific sequence of nucleotides on a chromosome that encode a particular protein which express the form of some particular feature. Okay, this portion, this little bit portion is a gene. This portion also called as another gene. This portion is contain the characteristics of parents and mothers which has reached to the child. That's why it is called the units of heredity. Okay, inside the gene a particular sequence of protein present which is present only individually in the parent's body, and that is come to the son or daughter's body. That's why that's why the son is little bit look like gets the characteristics of father and mother. Similarly, for in case of the daughter also, they sometimes we get the characteristics of our parents because of this gene. This gene is present in our parents body, which is come in our body after the birth. Okay, so that is the thing, students, all about the gene. Here just some points has mentioned. The Human Genome Project has estimated that humans have between 20,000 to 25,000 genes. You just zoom it and learn. Here also it has written DNA contain gene, particular sequence. Okay, instruction making proteins. Okay, gene have used to give the instruction to make the protein which contains the characteristics of parents. Now students, there is next video I will talk about the two types of cell division. One is mitosis, another is meiosis, and how they takes place. And thank you very much.